Hey, Nanan. Can you do the Loon call for us, please?
What?
Can you do the Loon call?
I can't understand you, Tommy.
The Loon call.
Of course. When do you want me to do it?
Right now.
Right now?
Yes.
In the morning?
Yes.
They never call in the morning. They always call at night. Around dusk.
Please, can you do it?
What are you looking at?
I'm taking a video.
Oh.
I'm gonna give it to all the friends that heard it at the farm, so they can be.
Oh, that's
good. Yeah.
That's good. I really like that.
Please.
Try to get it from here.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Do it in the morning.